chicken on beef. It's December 11th. No, 12th. It's December 12th. And I haven't been around for about the last week. They've taken off about 400 and some odd acres in the last about 36 hours with 3 machines running. He sent me a video yesterday afternoon, about 1 in the afternoon. He had all 3 machines running. Same field, dust was flying, it was pretty neat. My boss did a lot talking on that, naming people by name, first and last name, so I decided it wasn't appropriate to share on YouTube. But here we are. This is a tough field right here, let me tell you that. I think they no-tilled this one in last spring. It's a little rough. There's sprayer tracks out here we're driving through, they're rough. And there's snow laying out there too. You can see that out there. So it is daytime snow, which is unusual for me to be out here in the daylight. Got off work an hour or so earlier, so I decided I better get up here and help get some work done while it's still decent outside. So, we'll keep going here. Alright, we're on a 7720 two-wheel drive. And normally we'd have like a 20-foot head on here, or even in the past we ran a 22-foot head on one of our older 7720s. But I guess this morning at some point the 920 head we had on this got broken. So we went out on the dealership lot and got ourselves a little 15-foot head to run. And it works. It's a whole lot different, taking off 5 foot less with each swath, but it works. And it's actually a really nice head. If you are a little 200, 300, 400 acre operation, just need a small head on your 4400 or your 6600 or 7720 or whatever. This is a really sweet little head. It's actually a little small for a 7720, but it works. So taking off a lot less per pass, but we're getting it done. At this point in the game, it's kind of you just do what you gotta do to finish the job up, because it's late in the year. We've had a horrible fall. It seemed like about every other week or every other day throughout the week, all fall, it either rain or snow. We've been fighting that this entire year. It's really stunning. Finally have had a good stretch of weather and switched over to soybeans beginning this week, and been running hard on those. I unfortunately haven't always been out here helping these guys, just because this is not my full-time job anymore. It's my part-time job. I've got a different full-time career now, and I've got family things and all sorts of stuff like that that keeps me away from the farm. I love being out here, don't get me wrong. It's just you have other responsibilities. It's not always something you can do. So the soybeans have been hurt pretty bad by snow and ice. A lot of them are laying down in different places, and now I don't have a yield monitor, but I'm guessing these aren't yielding much over 30 bushels an acre, if that. It's unfortunate. This is the type of farm that should be able to produce 40, 45 bushels an acre in a good year. And it's just been tough. It's been a really, 2018 has been a tough year all the way around with weather. And in fact, I've talked to a lot of older guys, older farmers. My grandpa, he's 86. He farmed most of his life until his later years. And he said he can't remember a time in his life having a year like this where it's just wet and cold all the time, and makes it tough. But farming were easy, everyone would do it, I think. One other thing I guess I kind of wanted to talk about was no real timeline for when you get your harvesting done. Ideal to be done by, what, November 1st? You're a hunter, maybe the opening day of firearms season for your state. maybe by Thanksgiving, maybe by December 1st. But unfortunately, harvest is done when harvest is done. You don't always have control over the weather or equipment breakdowns, trucking issues, drying bin or bin issues. All that stuff kind of can compound on you. A lot of times, for most farmers, it's just the weather. And if you can control the weather, I mean, good Lord, everyone would be an awesome farmer then, right? No, it started raining. It's 2018 for you. Unbelievably, we're still running soybeans. 9600 over there. Grain carts over there.
Yeah, probably can't see it.
I can see on 750 is way back in the south of me. So, when it was raining, it was about a mile north of here. And then only got some sprinkles here, a little light shower, and then the wind picked up pretty well. So we're still going. Last 60-acre field of soybeans. And there's Alexa on 750. First time in here, which is fun. All right, that's the last of the 2018 soybeans going in a truck right there. Done with soybeans. Man, that feels good. December 12th. Would have been nice to be done a month ago, but here we are and we're done. It's alright. So, on the corn, we'll mop up the too many acres we have left. And hopefully we're done with those over the next few days.